Why should you know how pepper is made? We're about to delve into the fascinating journey of this spice from vine to kitchen. Pepper, the tiny powerhouse, is a spice that is cherished and used across the globe. It's a culinary essential, bringing warmth, depth, and a kick of flavor to dishes. From the humblest of home kitchens to the most elite gourmet restaurants, pepper holds a place of prominence. It starts as a simple vine, but its journey is anything but simple. Pepper, a small spice with a big journey. The journey of pepper begins in the field. But not just any field, mind you. Pepper plants prefer hot and humid climates and are typically found thriving in countries like India, Vietnam, and Brazil. Now imagine a lush green vine climbing up a support, basking in the tropical sun. That's our pepper plant. It's not a bush or a tree, but a vine that reaches out to the sun, twining and twisting its way upwards. At first, the pepper plant produces small green berries. These are the peppercorns that will eventually make their way to your dining table. But they're not ready just yet. They are still young, still green, still soaking up the sun and the nutrients from the soil. But as they grow and mature, they start to change, to transform. And that's where the magic begins. From a small green berry on a vine, we're now one step closer to the pepper we know and love. Once ripe, it's time to pluck these green berries. Now, the process of harvesting these vibrant green berries is one that requires a gentle hand and a keen eye. Each cluster of berries is hand-picked with care, ensuring the plant remains unharmed for future growth. The bounty of green berries is then collected and prepared for the next stage. The freshly harvested berries are boiled briefly. This step is crucial as it cleans the berries, removing any dirt or insects that may have found their way onto the fruit. Moreover, boiling also rids the berries of their outer skin, revealing the seed within, the heart of our beloved pepper. Following their bath, the berries are then spread out under the warm sun to dry. This is a process that cannot be rushed. Patience is key as the sun works its magic, drying out the berries over several days. As the berries dry, they begin to shrivel, their once bright green hue darkening to a deep, rich black. The transformation is remarkable. What began as clusters of small green berries on a vine, through the careful process of harvesting, cleaning and drying, become the black peppercorns we recognize and use in our kitchens every day. Drying transforms the berries. They shrivel and become the black peppercorns we recognize. The journey of the black peppercorn is one of patience and care, from vine to spice rack, each step crucial in creating the pepper we know and love. Dried and ready, the peppercorns are now prepared for their final transformation. This metamorphosis takes place in the grinding process. Here, the dried peppercorns are crushed into a fine, aromatic powder, the black pepper that we all know and love. Grinding can be done on an industrial scale with high-tech machinery, or right at home with a simple pepper mill. It's all about the desired freshness and intensity of flavor. Now, you might be wondering, how does this ground pepper reach our kitchens? Well, once ground to the perfect consistency, it's time for packaging. This step ensures that the pepper's freshness and aroma are locked in, ready to be unleashed in your dishes. The packaging process involves careful sealing and labeling, and voila! Your pepper is ready for distribution. Packaged and ready, our pepper has completed its journey and is ready to spice up your meals. From a tropical vine to your dining table, the journey of pepper is a testament to the beauty of nature and human ingenuity. It begins in the verdant pepper farms, where farmers nurture the vines with utmost care. The cultivation process is a meticulous dance of patience and precision, ensuring each peppercorn is of the highest quality. Then comes the harvesting, a labor-intensive process that unfolds under the warming sun. Each peppercorn is hand-picked, a testament to the artisanal nature of this spice. The drying stage further exemplifies this craft, where the peppercorns are sun-dried until they achieve that perfect crunch. Finally, grinding and packaging seal the deal, transforming these sun-kissed peppercorns into the familiar spice we all know and love. Each stage, a step in the symphony of pepper production, reflects the tireless effort and passion poured into this process. So the next time you sprinkle pepper onto your dish, remember the journey it has taken. Thank you very much for watching.